In the next few minutes, you'll see how ANSYS HFSS and ANSYS EMIT work together to provide a complete solution for radio frequency interference simulation in a complex environment. The HFSS and EMIT data link, with its ease of use, facilitates this complete solution. As an example, we'll use an Apache AH-64 helicopter with a collection of different antennas mounted on the aircraft. Here's the virtual prototype of the Apache helicopter with its multiple antennas in HFSS. For predicting the performance of these antennas in their installed environment, HFSS and its suite of electromagnetic solvers provide powerful simulation capabilities, enabling engineers to create rapid and accurate designs of these antennas. Each of these antennas on the helicopter operates on different frequency bands, with each having its own RF system. HFSS can compute the wideband interactions between all of these antennas and the helicopter platform. Electromagnetic waves from one antenna reach the other antennas, leading to potential radio frequency interference, or RFI problems. This interference can occur at both in-band and out-of-band frequencies, resulting from multiple causes such as nonlinear nature of the receiver circuits, broadband noise like the one you are hearing now in the background, and other phenomena. In addition to antenna interactions, we must also include the effects of the transmitters, receivers, and other components to simulate the performance of the RF systems in the installed environment. ANSYS, HFSS, and EMIT together provide a comprehensive solution to these RFI problems. ANSYS EMIT, available as part of the RF option in ANSYS Electronics Desktop, works together with HFSS to provide the RF system-level analysis capability necessary for the simulation of radio frequency interference in complex environments. This HFSS EMIT data link provides a seamless workflow for complete RFI simulation. We can import the HFSS model that contains all platform and antenna information into EMIT. The RF systems and associated components are added and configured in EMIT. In this way, the RF environment model for EMIT is automatically created based on the HFSS model and includes all geometry and antenna information and performance data. The RF systems can be configured using existing components in the EMIT library, or created using equipment performance specifications, or by using available measurements. Built into Electronics Desktop with the ANSYS Customization Toolkit, or ACT, this data link offers many customization options that lets you include the information of your choosing in the EMIT model. For instance, you can include the full 3D antenna patterns in EMIT to help with visual references. In the EMIT application, dynamic diagnostic views provide detailed information about the root cause of all interference. The red squares in the scenario matrix indicate interference between the associated systems. Detailed diagnostic information reveals the source of the problem. The interaction diagram shows signal traceback, identifying the path taken by each of the interfering signals. The results plot provides additional critical information. Visual cues like arrows literally point to the problem, with the associated text box providing diagnostic information. With its powerful system-level multi-fidelity modeling and dynamic diagnostic capabilities, interference problems are rapidly identified and resolved in EMIT. To illustrate, consider the interaction diagram shown here that indicates where the interference to the IFF receiver originates when multiple transmitters are operating. This problem is due to an intermodulation product generated in one of the transmitters. The configuration diagram in EMIT lets you rapidly explore various mitigation strategies. In this case, we can easily add a filter between the antenna and the amplifier to fix the problem. Rerunning this scenario shows that the red square in the scenario matrix changes to green, indicating that the problem is fixed. We can perform similar investigations for all of the problematic RF systems in this complex scenario and obtain complete solutions for all of the RFI conflicts. HFSS and EMIT together can provide a complete solution for RFI problems in any complex environment, be it aerospace and defense, automotive, consumer electronics, or other scenarios composed of multiple RF systems. Look to ANSYS for complete multi-physics solutions ranging from chip to package to integrated system all the way to large, complex environments. Thank you for viewing this ANSYS presentation.